Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make simple drawings on Chrome Canvas. Open Chrome and go to this website called canvas.apps.chrome and log in with your Google or Gmail ID. After logging in, you will be landed in this interface. You can choose many types of brush and paints. You can also choose pencils to draw. Just click on any types of brush or pen. In my case, let's use this pen. Write anything like, I just wrote DelftStack in here, which is also the channel's name. You can also use the eraser tool, which is in the bottom, and erase anything that you don't want. Like this one finished, just click on the three dot on the top right and click on Save as Image, and you can save it locally on the computer. We just created simple drawing on Chrome Canvas by selecting tools and using basic functions like save and undo to preserve up our artwork. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.